Open Create in cCloud. This row offers options for different terminal sizes, etc. Click here to add a new program page. Click here to select Add Images from Computer Files. Here are the images from the folder you selected on your computer. You can drag them directly into the media list. Click on the image to view its pixel count and size. Here you can select the interval between image cut-in effects, how many seconds. The program page you just added can also be edited or have new content added to. After creating and editing the program you want, click the Publish button. Select the device, and click Confirm.